just spent the last 5 minutes trying to take a thumbnail holding 2 B&M bags up like that, and my arms are dead. Thank you. Has anybody else tried the Winter Spice Ribena? It's kind of like non-alcoholic mulled wine. So for all you designated drivers and teetotalers out there, this is amazing, especially warm in a Christmas jumper mug. Hi everybody and welcome to the first of many cozy, warm, festive videos. It is miserable outside today. It is cold, windy, rainy, and I'd like to say it makes me feel warm and cozy being inside when it's absolutely horrible outside, but honestly, I just want to be on a beach in Barbados right now. But here we are. So as you can see, I've got a new festive background. I've got my penguin Christmas jumper on and bright red lipstick. So that means it's officially Christmas in my house. I know it's only November, but I've had my first mince pie, so that's it. The Christmas decorations are out, the Christmas mugs are out, the red lipstick's out, because it's 2020 and time means nothing anymore. So if you want to put up your Christmas decorations and drink whatever Christmas spice drink you want, you do that. But anyway, before I ramble on anymore, let's get into this haul because I have 4 massive B&M bags that are all a little bit torn because of the amount of stuff that is in them. So if we don't start now, then I'm never going to get through this haul. So in these bags, I've got everything from home decor to cleaning products, stocking filler ideas, gift ideas, food, sweets, you name it. If it was chocolate or it had a snowflake on it, I bought it. So I'm just going to pick a bag at random and just start. So the first thing I got was this, and oh my god, I was beyond excited when I realised that Mrs. Hinch has done a collaboration with Lenore and a Christmas collaboration. Since discovering Mrs. Hinch, I have found this whole new world of cleaning that I absolutely love. That's kind of, it's like a florally Christmas scent. Ah, that would be why. It is in the scent Rose Wonderland. The bottle is so pretty, and I have absolutely no idea which bag the receipts are in, so if the price isn't actually stuck to the item, then I will put it on screen where I can. So carrying on with the Hinch theme, I got 2 new Minkies. This one has got a really cute grey snowflake pattern on it, and this is just a grey and white Minky. I know that there's a reindeer Minky out there somewhere, and I am gonna find it. But I wanted to try this one because this one is a kitchen pad. It's not your usual cleaning pad like your usual Minky. It's got a really soft microfiber side, and instead of your scrubbing side, it's got like a mini mop kind of side to it. I don't know how else to describe that. Next, I obviously picked up some new Zoflora. Now, I don't know how many bottles I have actually bought, but there are 2 in this bag, and the first one is in the scent Sparkling Spruce, and it's an absolute giant bottle. Smell test. Potent. That's a lovely clean smell. Makes me think of log cabins in the snow. And the other one, I've never seen this before now. This is the Winter Morning Zoflora. So Winter Morning is a cool, fresh fragrance combining mint and sweet vanilla with a touch of seasonal spices. It does kind of smell a little bit like really sweet spiced apple. So next we have something that I'm really excited to use. This is the Febreze 3 Volution Plug and Refill, but it's in a limited edition spiced apple scent. Now I mainly got this for our bedroom, to be honest, because I love scented candles, but obviously I don't really want to leave a candle burning in here unattended and burn the whole building down, so I thought this would come in handy. So this next thing I thought would be a really cute gift idea for any Disney princess lover out there. So obviously I got this for myself, and it is this absolutely adorable set of 2 Disney princess glasses. I hope you can see, but there is a bell glass that says "The Princess Life Chose Me" and a Sleeping Beauty glass that says "Born to Shine." They're kind of in like this bubble glass effect. They're just so pretty. I'm gonna learn how to make a snowball cocktail because I think that would look really cute in these glasses. Next, we're moving on to some stocking filler ideas. Now, I've never seen these before, but I nearly shed a tear when I saw these. I absolutely love Kinder Bueno. And these are just like little mini individual Kinder Buenos. I'd love to get these in my Christmas stocking. And these two things my husband actually snuck into the trolley when I was going around B&M. How adorable are these little Christmas edition Galaxy and Maltesers hot chocolate little sachets. When you just want a quick dairy-free hot chocolate, these are amazing. I really want to get some mini marshmallows just to take our hot chocolate game to the next level. Okay, so that's the first bag done. Next, I could not resist Pigs in Blanket crisps. I've never heard of this brand before, but apparently they're made in Scotland. The bag is really cute as well. Next, moving on to the item that I think I might be the most excited for, and it is this star tea light holder. Now this is really well built, it's really sturdy, and it also has a flame resistant inside coating at the top here, so you can actually pop real tea lights in the middle there. And it was only £5, and it's their Cozy Cottage line. Both me and my mum got one of these each. And I think the reason I'm so excited for it is because we also got the Airwick Advent Calendar to go with it. This is such an affordable advent calendar. So these are the scents you get. You have Winter Wonderland, Frosted Winter Berry, Warm Amber Rose, Homemade Cookie, or Mulled Wine. And it has 24 doors. So on Christmas Day, I might have to buy myself a Yankee candle so that I can have a Christmas candle on Christmas morning. 2 bags down, guys. Moving back to the cleaning now, I picked up 2 ginormous bottles of limited edition Flash. Flash is something we use all the time, mainly in the bathroom, but when I saw that they did them in winter scents, I nearly freaked out. So this one is in Spiced Apple, and we also have Sugar Plum Delight. I'm pretty sure they do these in like spray bottle form as well. They smell a lot more like disinfectant than Zoflora does, but does such a good job. Spiced Apple smells really sweet. Sugar Plum is not as sweet, and it's a little bit more like your typical disinfectant smell, but a lot nicer than your average Flash. So then I picked up some fairy liquid, and this is in the scent Apple. Are you a special Christmas apple, or is it just apple? No, that just smells like apple. It's a little bit disappointing, but it had a snowflake on it, and it's in a mega size as well. Oh my god, it's bigger than my head. So definitely good value for money. Oh no, there's more Zoflora. I didn't get Festive Fireside in this haul because I already have that, and I might have some other winter Zoflora scents, but I picked up the Winter Spice in your usual size, and I also got Warm Cinnamon in the larger size. Warm Cinnamon smells divine. This is a really good sort of autumnal transitional scent. Oh my gosh, just like honestly, it will leave your house smelling like pumpkin pie. Festive Fireside I think is my favourite, so it'd take a lot to beat it. Winter Spice smells a lot like spiced orange. A seasonal fragrance combining warming cinnamon and cloves with orange and vanilla. A sweet and spicy blend for a welcoming winter home. It smells really nice, but I still think Festive Fireside might be my favourite. God, the floor is carnage. Next, I picked up a box of Nescafe Gold Vanilla Latte sachets. I love these. They're quick, they're easy. I thought because it's a little bit sweeter as well, just make me feel a little bit cozier and more festive. Now these are also from the Cozy Cottage line. They're just these 2 sort of pillar candle holders, and they actually come with 2 candles as well, so that's really good for £5 each, and they match the star, so they're going to look really cute. In fact, they look really nice, but they're ruining my setup. Last bag. B&M have loads of really nice wrapping paper, but I have so much Christmas wrapping paper, I'm actually banned from buying anymore, but this is just silver glitter, so technically I could use it for birthdays as well. So you get 2 meters and it's just like glittery silver, and that was only £1. Now we have another item from the Cozy Cottage line, and it is this really adorable glass jar. Now if you had the Airwick advent calendar and you didn't want to get the star, this is a really cute alternative. It's got pine cones on it and a little glittery reindeer. So cute! This looks so expensive to me and it was only £2. Love it. So next I got 2 candles. One is the Glade Spiced Apple and Cinnamon candle. This is like a really sweet spiced apple smell. So if you're not a fan of really sweet scents, this might not be for you. And the other one is the Airwick Essential Oils Mulled Wine candle. This is my absolute favourite. You know that moment when you're at a Christmas market and it's absolutely freezing, but you've just bought yourself a mulled wine? It's that. Now I absolutely love the look of candy canes at Christmas, but I'm not a fan of peppermint sweets. So when I saw these, I nearly lost my mind. So for £1, you get, is it 10? I'm not gonna count them. About 10 Parma Violet flavoured candy canes, and they're in a really cute like lilac colour. Now obviously if you want the traditional red and white, but you like peppermint, then that's fine, but I don't really mind, and they're Parma Violet, which I love, so I had to get these. Now I cannot wait to use these next ones. I really hope that we are allowed a few more people in our household by Christmas, otherwise it's just going to be me and my mum getting absolutely hammered on Christmas cocktails, because I can't wait to make loads of Christmas cocktails with these. Now these are actually cocktail flavour candy canes with a sherbet centre, and I got peach Bellini and rhubarb and ginger gin. How amazing. Again, these are only £1 each, which I thought was really worth it, and I cannot wait to use these. Or I might just eat them out of the box, to be honest, because they sound delicious. Now to make those cocktails, I will probably end up using this. It's a gin liqueur. It's not too alcoholic, it's only 20%, so it's not as alcoholic as actual gin. It just tastes like sweets. This is the Unicorn Dreams Gin Liqueur by Imaginaria. It has a unicorn on the front of it. My viewfinder has stopped working, so I have no idea if you can still see me or not. But the best thing about this gin, I don't think you're ready for. It is shimmery. So not only does it taste like sweets, but it looks like unicorn tears. So if you just add this to lemonade, it just makes your drink look really sparkly and girly. Love it. So the last thing that I got in this haul is actually a stocking filler for my mum. So if that's you, this is the end of the video for you. So I love you very much and I'll call you later, but stop the video now. So hopefully my mum's not watching anymore, but when I spotted this, I knew she would absolutely love it. And it is this really cute hot chocolate and mug set. And it's actually by the brand Me to You. And for £3, I thought it was really worth it. And I just love the packaging. It's really cute. It says hot chocolate hug on the front of it. And the mug says on it, cozy cup of cuddles. I love this. I thought this would make a really cute gift for your mum, your sister, somebody at work who loves mugs and hot chocolate. I just love it. So that is it. That is everything that I got from B&M for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!